Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a little maintenance at home with you. We did our hair, nails, lashes, skin, wax, the whole thing, girl. I feel so beautiful today. You know, after those days where you have like a bomb workout and then you have a good shower, you wash your hair, the hair is giving. I love it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you love girly things and you love to watch maintenance videos, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm finished with my hair, and of course it's a mess, but I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for like 45 minutes. So it's currently 12:15. So at 1 o'clock I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out and I'll show you guys how it looks. Never used this brand before, but it was sent to me a while back and I just like never used it, so I'm using it today. It's like an off black. It's in a, the color's called 1-800 Espresso. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it does. I messed up by not putting Vaseline on my head like I usually do to like make sure I don't get stained, because I was lazy today and my hands are all stained to my arms. Like, oh my god, that sucks. But anyways, I was getting a little hungry since I had just done a HIIT workout before I started my hair, and got one of these little protein shakes, and I wanted to tell you guys about this one while this like sits in here, because I've been wanting to try this one, specifically the Cake Batter Delight Premier Protein, because Azia on YouTube, I love her videos so much by the way, she was saying how good these are, that they're so bomb, and she bought like 2 packs, and I like that it's 30 grams of protein. And I personally love anything cake flavor. Like I love anything like cake batter, birthday cake, confetti, like I love all that. So I had been wanting to try this one, and I really like the like minty green color. Like I think it looks so pretty.
But girl,
this to me literally tastes like pistachio ice cream. Like melted pistachio ice cream with a hint of vanilla. It does not taste like cake to me. And I made my husband try it this morning, because he's not into like any like little protein shakes and stuff like that. He'll definitely drink a protein shake if I make one, like a protein smoothie, but these like the ones that I already made, like he doesn't really like them. So I'm like, come on, just try it. And he's like, okay. And he tried it and he's like, whoa, you're right, it does taste like pistachio. I was like, I told you. And these are good, but I don't really drink whey protein.
no.
Bloats you, causes inflammation in the body. A lot of people that I know, they say that they start to like break out when they drink whey. So I personally, all I would ever notice was that I would get very bloated. Like they taste the best compared to plant-based protein, but specifically for me and my goals, I feel like plant-based proteins are better, especially because I already deal with inflammation in the body with due to PCOS. I already always deal with bloat, inflammation, and all those things, so I try to stay away from whey. But girl, I had really been wanting these for so long, so I was like, you know what, one of these, like one every like week and a half, 2 weeks is not gonna like kill me. I wanted to tell y'all, these are good. These are good. I will give it an 8 out of 10. It's yummy, but definitely not cake. It's more pistachios. They should call this pistachios and cream Premier Protein. So far, maintenance. This is maintenance appointment 1. I'm trying to do all my maintenance here at home for the week. We have somewhere special to be on the weekend, so I really want to like look and feel my best. I'm gonna do my hair, which we already did. Check, boom, hair done. Then I'm gonna do my nails. I'm gonna try filming it for you guys, that way y'all guys can see. I've been into doing like at home press on gel X nails, and the first time I did them, girl, they popped off within 2 to 3 days. They were all popping off. The second time I did them on my mom, and girl, they lasted her for like almost 2 months. I was shocked. I was shook. And I did them on myself last time, and they lasted me 2.5 weeks. Like, they were so hard to come off last night. But I'm not gonna lie, my nails do feel very brittle, and like they do hurt. So obviously I know it's not healthy for my nails. So I'm gonna do another gel X set, and then after this set I'm gonna let my nails breathe. I'm gonna take it day by day because I'm a mom, I have a toddler. I can't just sit and like do all my maintenance in one day. I would love to do that, don't get me wrong, just get it out the way in one day. But because I'm a mom, you know how it is being at home. With being a stay-at-home mom, you constantly have to stop to like take care of your kid and attend to them and do stuff with them. But what I like to do is do a little self-care every single day. That way at the end of the week I feel my very best self. So today is hair. Happy Saturday. I'm feeling so good. Came back from the gym and had a nice bomb breakfast. I took the shower. You know what I'm talking about. The shaving, exfoliating, putting some oil in our hair. I'm about to do my hair with my new Revlon brush that I have been obsessed with since I got it. I literally haven't styled my hair any different, honestly, since I got this brush. It just makes your hair so pretty and smooth, and like gives it like a bounce. I feel like my hair is so long and heavy, the waves, and it kind of always goes flat, but regardless, it's so smooth and silky that it looks so pretty. I'm gonna style it and it's still wet. I go in with this L'Oreal Blowout Dry Thermal Smoothing Cream. So I get this because I have a lot of frizz, and this says it tames frizz, and it's a heat protectant dry primer spray. So I also put this in just because it says it cuts dry times, and I feel like it does. This gets done pretty fast. So let's go ahead and do that. And I got my wax machine melting all the wax and getting like ready for my face wax. And I really love my brush. The only thing is obviously when it's super loud. Have this from Bliss. It's pre and post waxing oil, and I really like this. At first I thought like there was no use for it. I was like, why do you need an oil for your face? But it's actually really good. Something about it helps with adhering the wax to your face, and it helps. I notice more hair comes off when I use this than when I don't use it. So I just started using it, and then I also like to use it after to like take off any wax, so we can have beautiful glowy skin tomorrow. And because my skin feels so tight, you guys. But look how cute this is. I look so funny, but whatever. I want all the hair out of my face, especially because I'm going to be waxing. And I don't want to have no accidents. I'm going to try to get all this fuzz I have right here, because
it looks gross.
I have these popsicle sticks. I need to order more because this is the last big one I have. And then these are all small. So I like to use the big one. Nails are done, hair is done. I just have it pulled back right now because I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. I can like have them for like Monday and Tuesday and like the start of the week, but that way I can like finish this maintenance vlog with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, you guys, so lashes are done. They look so good. Hair, nails, I'm loving it. I feel so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys the lashes I used were these from Kiss. The band is just so nice and thin, and I love how much volume these have. These are the triple push-up couture, and they just look so good. I love it, and they're so comfortable. So again, I used the Falscara system, which I already made a video on it, so I'll link it here. That way you can watch exactly how I do these. It does take some time to like get used to it, but seriously, I love it. Ever since I started doing my lashes like this, I just love it, especially for the weekend.